Firebase versus Supabase, right? And which is the best one for you? So we'll just get into this video. Firebase and Supabase are prominent backend as a service which is called BaaS, platform that cater to developers looking to streamline their application development process and the application development process, right? So Firebase is developed by Google, which is a fully managed NoSQL database service that integrated seamlessly with the Google Cloud ecosystem, right? And in contrast, Supabase is an open source alternative built on PostgreSQL, providing a relational database solution with robust querying capabilities. So Firebase utilizing a NoSQL document store, which is a file store, which is suitable for real-time application, but may not support complex queries as effectively as SQL database. Based on PostgreSQL, it's allow for complex queries in Supabase, data integrity, and support JSON and vector data types. This make it ideal for application requiring relation data management, right? And on the Firebase, a proprietary platform, meaning users are subject to vendor lock-in and must adhere to Google pricing model. Obviously, you have to pay for it. On the other hand, Supabase charge primarily for storage, which offers unlimited API requests and authentication users. Right, so recent benchmark indicates that Supabase can outperform Firebase and significantly in terms of reading and writing speed, reportedly up to 4 times faster for read and 3.1 times faster for writes. And this is some features comparison which I made. I can show you, which is this one. Pause this video and you can check this out. And when to choose Firebase? So ideal for mobile app development, best suited for developers who prefer a hands-off approach with minimal management and backend infrastructure, recommended for projects that require real-time data synchronization, right? And Supabase is for those who prefer for projects needing a relational database with SQL capabilities, suitable for developers who want the flexibility of self-hosting, a better choice when complex queries and data integrity are crucial. So it's completely up to you. Just find your what you want, when what's your requirement, and how much you can pay for Bash. And depending upon it, you can choose any one of them. Thanks for watching this video.